Hello everyone, welcome back to Long Life Healthy Way.
Hello everyone.
So you've got a really good recipe today, Yoshiko, full of miso and other goodies.
That's right.
But we want to talk about Dr. Ishikawa today again. And
we showed you last week and did a little bit exercise.
Yes.
But anyway, he says in the book 10 good habits to keep. So the first one today is maybe you can explain.
Well, it's Dr. Ishikawa says the most important thing for maintaining a healthy brain is good blood flow.
That's right.
So the brain needs a constant supply of oxygen and glucose.
Yeah, in order to make it function well, it's pelvic is so important.
That's right.
Because it's central part of your body.
Okay. Right, so Dr. Ishikawa explains that the pelvic region plays a central role in blood flow from the upper body down to the legs and feet. If the pelvis is unstable or tilted, circulation becomes restricted. That's why maintaining good posture, both sitting and standing, is essential. So, Yoshiko, side on. That's right. So, explain. Chin in.
Chin in.
And
your back straight.
Yes.
Stretch. And then put your hands on your side.
Right.
And this is a good. This is a way to stand.
Right. Okay, can you do that front on? Now, he explains that this is really important wherever you are. You've got to get into the habit of this simple posture. Yeah.
So, pelvic exercise is rotate your back right way and left way.
Do it several times and give everyone the idea.
1, 2, 3, maybe 5 times.
Yeah.
And 5.
And then
change
the opposite way.
Opposite way. 1, 2.
And this really improves the blood flow.
That's right.
If the pelvis isn't stabilized, blood flow is compromised.
That's right. Yeah.
So, did you go the other way 5 times?
I did.
5 times each way, and do it for 10 minutes if you like. Okay. So, posture, hips.
Good posture.
Yeah. And what about seating?
Sitting.
Yeah. Try that one.
Okay. When you seated in front of a computer. You sit, make sure the pelvic is straight up and put your legs together.
Right.
And work like this in the computer.
Yes.
And just to make sure you're keeping the good posture, you use this cushion like this. If you started falling like this, you put your cushion or like this is pillow.
Or even a beach ball.
In a beach ball, it could be good to maintain good posture.
I see. So those are a couple of exercises
you can do
for you to. The main thing is to be conscious of this whole process.
Keep good posture.
Yeah, because the pelvis is the key to everything. So if that is stabilised, it gives you good posture and therefore good blood flow to the brain.
That's right.
Okay, so what about food then? That's always
right.
a good...
You're getting hungry now?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
So let's get into the food.
Okay, so the dish I'm going to make today is from this cooking book. This is a cooking book. Okazu is a side dish, Japanese style side dish encyclopedia. So I used this book for a long time.
Yes, I can see that.
This is good for newly
Married.
wife. So,
Or husband.
or husband.
Yes.
Of course. Yeah, this is a book, the dish I'm going to make. Daikon no Soboro Miso-ni. So daikon with miso.
Right.
So let's get started.
Fantastic. Okay.
Okay, ingredients for this dish is daikon, half of the daikon,
I see.
and so 50 gram of chopped negi, chopped fine, and chicken mince 50 gram,
Yes.
just to give flavor, and dried shiitake, but dehydrated.
I see.
And to cook daikon is use kombu and stock
Right.
water, about,
And oil.
and sesame oil,
Yes.
and one egg yolk today I'm going to
Okay.
use.
Right.
I think that's about it. So let's start it. Let's start. Peel the skin off. I have to keep the good posture.
Yes, so
Anytime, all the time.
yeah, I think when you get it into your head, whatever you're doing, posture.
Posture, that's
Yeah.
right. Because when you age, sometimes you forget to keep the good posture.
And I know that walking is one of his exercises too. He's got a special way to walk, and that's for balance.
Balance,
and you know,
Go walk along the straight line.
yes. So you know, people when they get older, they frightened they might fall or something like that, and that helps you. That helps that condition of fear of falling.
That's right. Not to get frail.
Yeah. So we might have a few good years left, Yoshiko.
Hope so. Yeah. Enjoy our lives.
Yes, that's right. Well, now that our children have grown up,
That's right.
we can have fun.
Hopefully. Get into mischief. Like making YouTube. And then cut into about 2 centimeters thick. And then cut in quarter. Kombu and dashi water.
It's 1 teaspoon, is it? Of dashi?
Yeah,
And
yeah. You can adjust it to your taste. So about 3 cups. It's 100 more, I think. So 600 milliliter. So you cook it until it gets soft.
I see.
Because daikon takes time to go soft. So meanwhile, I'm going to make miso sauce. 50 milligram. 50 gram. Oh, just right.
Right. So 50 grams of that negi.
Cut, chop fine. Okay, and put sesame oil. We got into sesame oil nowadays.
Well, I actually am rubbing it on my skin.
Oh.
I read that it's really good for your skin.
Oh. So today I'm going to use miso.
Yes.
And today's miso is called aka miso.
But if you don't have red miso, you can always use any kind of miso, really.
Yes, that's right. So about this much miso, 50 gram. So let's get started. Aka
Fry it up.
miso sauce. Lightly saute and then add the chicken wings.
Right.
Okay, let's check the daikon. It's smooth, so it's soft enough.
Okay.
Just about this much, and then just tiny bit of salt. All right.
Yep.
Okay, then cook 10 more minutes.
Oh, good.
Okay, I added aka miso and plus a little bit sugar. So I mix now. Mixed well, and then I put egg. So I added water, a little bit, quarter of 1 cup of water. And mix well. It's easier now, isn't it? And add egg yolk. Making a nice sauce now.
My word, and looks rich.
Because of aka miso.
Yeah.
Let's see how it comes out. Mixed with the aka miso sauce here. just briefly mix it together. Okay, I think when it's cooked, it's ready. Okay. Tasteful.
Yes. Well, once again, you've created a masterpiece in the kitchen, Yoshiko.
I wouldn't say masterpiece, but anyway, so I made another healthy dish today.
Yes, and miso, it absorbs into the daikon so beautifully, doesn't it?
That's right.
Why don't you try some?
Yes, let me try. I'm itching to try. And people say it goes well with rice.
Yes,
so I'm gonna try with rice.
It's a real meal.
Because akamiso is a rich flavor.
Yes.
It goes well with plain white rice.
So it's coming through that akamiso.
Very nice. Can't stop.
Right. Well, you have to stop because we've got to finish.
That's right.
But thanks very much. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it.
And also, don't forget to keep the good posture.
That's right. Exactly. Yes. So we'll be making more videos with Dr. Ishikawa's book.
Yes.
It's an inspiration, that book.
That's right. Yeah.
So thank you very much, and see you next week.
See you next week. Bye
Goodbye.
for now.